everyone! Welcome to my channel! It's Evelyn and Evelyn's Home Cooking. Today we're making a perfect turkey, mango, and avocado salad. And a plus easy dressing. Okay, let's go! We will start. I will show you all the ingredients. Okay, we're gonna start for the turkey breast. Now, slice into tin. Slice. Okay. It's small. Next, we will put the garlic and salt, pepper, and black pepper. Okay, next I will put the salt, and garlic, black pepper, and also the other side. Okay, then we will fry. Okay, in a pan, we'll put a 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and then 2 teaspoons of olive oil. And fry the turkey strip. Turkey slice or strip. Okay, done. Okay. Done. Finish. And the next is the one head of lettuce, and you can slice like that, and take the head. Okay, take the head and can slice up, not small, like that, and wash and dry. Okay, and put the in this. Next is the turkey. Next, the turkey. Slice. And next, the avocado. Peel it. Mango. Okay, next, some mango. No, just 2. Okay. Then, and next is the cucumber. Cucumber. And okay. Okay. And next is the red onions. Got the tomato. And 1/2 bunch of coriander, slice into thin. Okay, next we will make a honey dressing. 1/2 cup of olive oil and 3 teaspoons of vinegar and mustard, 2 teaspoons of mustard. Two teaspoons of honey. And 1 cloves of garlic minced. Salt, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay. And 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And then mix it. Next, we will put the honey dressing. Wow, so creamy and tasty. Wow. Okay, and then we'll put the almonds toasted. in the upper. Oh, 1/2 cup of almonds toasted. Almonds toasted. Okay. Wow. Okay. Now, done. We have a perfect turkey, mango, and avocado salad. Okay, ready? Enjoy. And then we will make it together. Combine it together. Wow. And we will combine it together. Wow. And we will combine it together. Okay, everyone, if you like this recipe, you can do it also in your home. Everyone, if you like my videos, please give me a big thumbs up, down, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell for the notification, and see you for the next video. Thanks for watching.